An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, like 16 over 5. 16/5 is an improper fraction because the top's bigger than the bottom. That name, improper, sort of gives us the impression that there's something wrong with it. Somehow it's improper, but there's not. It's fine. It just happens to have its numerator bigger than the denominator. That's all. It's not a problem, really. I guess, unless you stop to think, how much is 16/5? It's sort of hard to tell just by looking at it. So one thing that we can do to make it a little bit more relatable is to turn it into a mixed number. The way we're going to do that is I'm going to divide the top by the bottom. 16 divided by 5. You can do it on a calculator if you want to. You can do it the long way if you want to. And I'm going to get 3.2. Well, I want a mixed number, which means a whole number with a fraction. 3.2 is a decimal, which is not a mixed number. But we have found the whole number part, 3. So the whole number part of my mixed number is 3. And now I'm going to figure out what is 0.2 as a fraction. I'm going to take the decimal part, 0.2, and then multiply it back by that 5, by the denominator, the same number. When I do that, I get 1. So my mixed number is 3 and 1, what color am I on here, over the original denominator. The denominator was 5, the denominator is still 5. 16/5 is the same thing as 3 and 1/5, and I can picture that a little bit easier than I can picture 16/5. So we can change an improper fraction into a mixed number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. If we can do that, we can go the other way. Suppose I have the mixed number. Let's do 8 and 3/7. I would like to turn this into an improper fraction. Certain calculations and stuff, it's just a little easier to have an improper fraction. So I want to turn this into an improper fraction. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply the denominator by the whole number part. 8 times 7. What that tells me is 8 is 56/7. But I also had 3/7. So I'm going to take that 56/7 and add the extra 3/7 is 59. And I'm going to write that number that I just got over the original denominator. 59 over 7. So the mixed number, 8 and 3/7, is the same as the improper fraction, 59/7.